guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a quick and easy oven baked fish. This is perfect for the holidays if you're planning on doing fish. So let's get started. Here I have some wild caught haddock fish, but feel free to use whatever kind you have on hand or that you like. I also have some cherry tomatoes, shallots, and jalapeños. If you can't find shallots, you can use red onions or regular yellow onions. I have some lime slices, butter, garlic and onion powder, fish seasoning, Old Bay, and black pepper. So the first thing we'll do is combine all of our seasonings. I have simple seasonings here: Old Bay, fish seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper. Next, you want to coat the fish with a little bit of oil, and then we will generously coat the fish with the seasonings. Now you want to make sure that you rub that fish really well. Make sure you get all of the sides, the edges and stuff, and make sure that the fish is nicely marinated because we're using simple seasonings and we're not doing too much. Usually I would add green seasonings to my fish, but I always do that, and a lot of people don't know what it is and they don't have it. So I wanted to make this fish recipe super simple with ingredients that everybody can find. So once we're done marinating this, I'll show you guys the next step. Next, we'll start adding our vegetables. You want to place your lime slices any part of your baking dish. You could even place them on top of the fish if you like, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm going to just place my vegetables on top of the fish, and you can place them in any order that you like. You know, it doesn't have to be the way I'm doing it. Now, once we're done here, we will add our butter. You want to add plenty of butter because you don't want no dry fish. Usually when we make fish, we'll do it with a sauce or something. But today we're just doing, baked fish. So we need that butter to keep the fish nice and moist and delicious. So once we place the butter over top, we'll allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Fish or seafood in general does not take a long time to marinate. It holds seasonings pretty well. So in about 10 minutes, we should be ready to place this inside of the oven. Now we will place this in a 425-degree oven. You need to bake this on high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on the thickness of your fish too. If your fish is thin, you might need just 15 minutes. So we'll bake this for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, our fish is finally done. It smells absolutely amazing and it looks so gorgeous, guys. So what you want to do next is just garnish with fresh parsley. This is optional, but I like to do this. This is just my thing. Garnish with fresh parsley, and then you want to get in there with a spoon and drizzle that yummy butter sauce all over top of your fish, because we don't want no dry fish here. You could even melt some butter. I actually did that and sat that on the table for those who want extra butter on the fish. And yeah, that's it. It was so amazing, and I hope you all give this recipe a try. Now I did pair this up with some potato salad, raisin rice, and stir-fried vegetables, and it was absolutely divine. But I couldn't go without showing you all how flaky and delicious the fish was on the inside. Look at that, just perfectly cooked, and it's the perfect dish. You can have this as one of your entrees for the holidays, and everyone will enjoy it. Super simple and easy to make. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will be leaving all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.